Hello, this is Soso Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a perfect white rice. That's why a lot of people ask me to make white rice. The white rice is not too hard. I'm going to tell you exactly what you're supposed to get. I'm going to cook 1 cup of rice. I need 2 cup water. So 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Okay? That's it. For the rice, we have to buy the long grain rice. Don't buy the short one. If you buy the short one, that's going to be very shrinky. When you buy the long one, that's much better. That's my rice. The rice is supposed to be very long grain rice. Okay? Long grain. If you buy the short one that's going to be very mushy. So if you buy the long one, that's going to be nice and beautiful. Only one thing, you have to wash it. That's 1 cup of rice. The rice supposed to be washed. I'm going to wash it twice. That's the way you wash your rice. You have to scrub it just like that. Okay? Do it again, scrub it. Okay. You don't have to put nothing in your rice. Oil, salt, plus the rice. Make sure you taste it to see if they have enough salt. Yes. And then make sure you cover this one. You cover your rice for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. And then I'm going to return back to show you. That's it. That's the rice. It's not mushy. That's a good rice. Because when you buy the long grain rice, that's it. And then, that's it. I'm going to cover this one for 10 more minutes. Okay? That's it. I'm going to show you. The stove down, I'm going to put it into, that's it. Wait for 10 more minutes, the rice is ready. Nothing in the rice.